Hi, welcome to Aussie Scale Modeller. Jace here. Glad to have your company once again. Well, again, long time between drinks. As you know, I've been under the pump big time. But thank you for watching this again. And this is just an unboxing video of a kit I've got. And I thought, well, I've got the paints, the outlaw paints, the actual colours for this. So why not make this kit eventually? I know. Eventually, and but we'll do an unboxing on the Ford GT40. Great little kit. It's a Fujimi. So I've already taken the plastic off. It's on the bench. Thank you again. If you want to like and subscribe, that's all good. If you don't, hey, appreciate it anyway for popping in and saying hello. Don't forget, leave a comment in the description. What I can do to improve, that'd be great. What else has been happening? Aussie Modelers live on the weekends. We're now alternating. Last Sunday was 11 AM. So we've got a few of the boys in the US joining us now. We've got Chicago, Illinois, Michigan and Arkansas. And I think we've got Pit Stain coming on very shortly too as well. But it was just great to have these boys company. And then this Sunday it's at 5 PM and I think we get a few other people from the UK turn up, and some of the American boys will turn up as well. Don't forget, go to Got Fuels. They're another great YouTuber. Great bunch of guys in the States. Join them. They do a live show Sunday mornings in Australia, but I think they're Saturday nights in the US. So go and visit those boys there. Fantastic people. Rightio, what we'll do in 3, 2, 1, we'll move the camera down and we'll do the unboxing of the Ford GT40 P1075, the 68 Le Mans. Right guys, in 3, 2, 1. Alright, as you can see, here she is, the historic racing car series from Fujimi. The Ford GT40 P1075 68 Le Mans. Rightio. Let's have a peek there. We'll go that way. As you can see, a bit of Japanese. There's your decals, bit of colour call out. If anybody else can read that. Oh, I can read the English part, but yeah, just a standard stuff. Rightio. So let's pop this out. Move that to the side. It does look a bit dark there. Give me a chance. I'll turn the other light on. Hang on. Right. That's brightened up the subject. Okay. Typical. We have the instructions. Very different. One thing I did notice is all the marking and painting call out is decal placement is on the page number 1 there. So we'll just open that up. And there we go. Very simple by the look of that. Not extremely detailed or complex, very few parts. So, and then here we go. We've got the colour call out right there. Right, moving along. You've got the dash. I mean, this is a racing vehicle, so you know, naturally there's not going to be much in there. Wheel hub assemblies, you know, your spinner, your brakes, front suspension, interior doors there. Moving right along, we will go into, again, looking like the rear tyres, transmission and everything there. Yeah, radiator, front end, no, that's rear end. Putting in your glass work, putting on the top part, first part of the body, rear end there. Again, what's in the box. So really not that much to it. Okie doke. Right. Well, as you can see by the decals, oops, bit of a bang there. We've got the Golf orange, and the car is in golf blue. So there we have it. Focus there, golf orange, golf blue in Outlaw. So they were the primary colours on this vehicle, along with the Outlaw grey primer. Yeah, decals are not too bad there, but this will be masked out with Icky Sticky. Maybe even I'll paint the roundels there for it, and then just put the numbered decals on it. Right, and you've got decals for your tyres there. Right, these are all stable. I had a big bit of a peek. One thing I have noticed with this kit, and I'll just move this off to the right hand side here, is that there's literally next to zero flashing on this kit. Minute scrape of it there. It's going to be, look, I haven't done any pre-assembly, as you can see, it's still on the sprue, but it looks very, very tidy. Move that over to the right there. Actually, doesn't matter, it's still got to go in the bag. I don't like losing parts or even risking that, and it's got to be washed anyway, so yeah, back in the bag. Right, again, somebody want to tell me how many other kits they've ever done that have stapled bags. I'm very, yeah, I find it crazy. Usually they've got the self-sticking ones. Right, let's move that way. There we go. Right, so yeah, a bit of the rear end. That looks like the front bonnet. I'm not sure. Haven't really had a good look. Yes, not much to that either. How far detailing do you go with this? Yeah, but again, have a look at that, guys. Oh no, you can't have a look at that. Got it out of shot there. But have a look at that. There's just zero flashing. It's just crazy. Anybody again in the comments, let me know what kits have you run into where you had no flashing, or the minimal. I know that I've got the Lancaster there from the 132 border, with the thousands and thousands and thousands of parts. Yeah, that's got very little flashing. The tolerances are incredible. Now I'm not going to unstaple this one, guys. As you can see, all the glass work, clear parts. Looks very clean. Might need a bit of a polish, unless that's a reflection there, but yeah, it looks very solid, very, yeah, we'll have a look through that when we get closer to building. Right, one more major sprue in here. Yeah. Your disc brakes, front and rear suspension, transmission, rear suspension, rear springs, front springs. Again, flashing, can't see any. It's just wild how clean this kit is. You got your pedals there. Oh, hang on. Oh, look out. Let's bring that up. Where are we? I wonder if I can catch that on the camera. Just in the top of the drum, the discs there. Just a tiny little bit of flash there. But there's no real complaint. You've got nothing to complain about if you're looking to buy this kit. And then we'll move. One thing I did find puzzling, but we'll move on to that later. So again, still stapled up the body, panel lines, again very tidy. Yeah, just there, yeah, just running along there. flip that around. Yep, so we're running some paper along that, smooth that out. Move back in, yes, just there. Unless that's definitive on the body, but yeah, no, that definitely needs to disappear. Just there. Have a look at this, folks. This is how it comes to chrome work. So your wheel spinners are there, but they've actually put all the rims or wheels inside already, and they're just sitting on there ready to go. There is I think that's a rear axle there, and all the spinners again, no flashing. Well done, Fujimi. Well done. So we'll put all this back in some semblance of the way it came out. And that's that for that kit. So we'll put that there. We'll put that there. Put that there, and I'll slide these in there. Put that there. And voila. There you have it. Ford GT40 P1075 for the 68 Le Mans. Okay, let's get this camera back up, folks, and we shall yeah, we will have a more chat, and yeah, there we go. Right, let's bring this back up. Oh, there's an ugly head. There we go. Alright, folks, there we go. I hope you enjoyed that. Again, Outlaw Paint Sculpt Blue. There we go, getting the focus here, you bugger. We gotta do it. Oh, the joys of webcams. And Outlaw Paint Sculpt Orange. Righto, guys, so again, thanks for joining us on this, but just to let you know, as you can see, I've had to move rooms again. It's unreal. The joys of having a family, but again, the reason it is family first. You know, if you've got somebody who really struggles with steps in your household, and you've got to move, you've got to be the one to walk up them, that's what you do. Probably need a shave, but I'm not really concerned about that because I've got a lot on. Don't forget to check MOS6510. He's going gangbusters, and MOS has started up www.outlawpaints.co.uk. Now that is live in, I believe, about 5 days time. So if you're in the UK, head on over there, sign up for the website, and if you're in the UK, MOS has Outlaw Paints in stock over there, and it's fantastic. Few what was it? Spoons in the mix, whatever, spanners in the works, fingers in the soup, I don't know, whatever you call it, over in the USA. Don't forget to go to Bob's Hobby Shop in RC in the USA. Going to be doing an interview with Bob very soon, well, on his channel. Don't forget, check the links in the description, and you'll catch up from there. But yeah, not much besides doing what I've got to do, and yeah, as you can see by the eyes, needing a bit of sleep to get through it. But I've got this, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. Again, thank you for all your support over these last couple of years. 3 years, I've nearly been to this channel. Thank you so very much. I think it's the watch time that's the only thing that doesn't make me a financial channel. Not really worried about it. Guys, thank you. Visit all those people in the links in the description. You got Fuels, your Bob's Hobby Shop in RC, and don't forget Monique from Icky Sticky for all your hobbying products, your tools and stuff, your tapes, your tweezers, everything like that. Guys, thank you very much. From me to you, hit the like, hit the subscribe. Again, if you do, if you don't, no worries. But as I always say, it's all good. And catch you later.